Bismillah ar-rahman ar-rahim. Assalamalaikum, brothers and sisters. In this video, I will be talking about a surah from the Quran that can cure any disease. Yes, any disease. Whether it is cancer, diabetes, hepatitis C, kidney disease, coronary heart problems, blood pressure, depression, or any different issue can be cured through paying attention to and reciting this blessed surah. So guys, here I'm talking about the blessed Surah ar-Rahman. Muslims have a couple of advantages for recitation and studying Surah ar-Rahman. Most importantly, our worldly lifestyles are transient and we as Muslims are searching ahead to get extra religious advantages in fact. Surah ar-Rahman is a pleasant surah for religious recovery and blessings. Someone I know was diagnosed with hemiplegia, which is the paralysis of one side of the body, and she kept listening to Surah ar-Rahman. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cured her and now she's much better than she was before. This is why I refer to recite Surah ar-Rahman as therapy aimed at controlling a person's level of anxiety, usually for the purpose of improving everyday functioning. To listening Surah ar-Rahman is healing the wounds of the soul of a person. Surah ar-Rahman helps to bring you close to Allah Almighty. It also facilitates putting off any sanctimony of your heart. If someone feels really anxious and doesn't know how to get peace of heart, he or she should recite Surah ar-Rahman. It will not only heal your heart but also give you internal peace of mind and satisfaction to your soul. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud said that the Holy Prophet said, "Everything has an adornment, and the adornment of the Quran is Surah ar-Rahman." So when should we recite Surah ar-Rahman? All of the chronic diseases which are being faced by the many patients of the world can be vanished by listening to or reciting Surah ar-Rahman of Holy Quran daily. He or she will inshallah get rid of this disease. Marriage obstacles, job issues, health disorders, family disputes, or many other problems can also be solved by listening to this surah. Indeed, Allah is Yashafi, and the health and sickness are all in His hands. So when Shifa of Allah Almighty will surely be granted, your perceptions have to be sturdy enough. Our thoughts and heart offer us happiness and satisfaction. In this hostile world, we many times become tired and stressed out by the overwhelmed conceptions and people. So the recitation of the surah offers rest and peace and makes us extra satisfied and pleasant. However, believe that Allah Almighty cures your disease, as He is the only one who makes such decisions concerning life and death. And this is all I got for you guys today. Please share this video for reward since it's Sadaqah Jariyah.